Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Western Union error code C7777. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are a few things that you should do here or you should be trying doing for you to fix this issue. So one of those things is you have to ensure that you have a stable and proper internet connection. Now in this case, if you're using mobile data, consider switching this to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using a Wi-Fi, you might want to consider using a different connection, like for example another different connection for Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Now in this case, if it is actually caused by your interconnection, when you connect to another connection, it should actually probably solve your issue. Now another thing that you should be doing here is you might want to try starting your modem for your Wi-Fi, and from then wait for it to reboot, and from then check if that solves your issue. Now in this case, if this doesn't still work, well, there are a few things that you should also check. Now sometimes this issue or this error actually comes from the server from Western Union itself. Now in this case, you want to open up any browser here, go to google.com, type in the following, which is Western Union server, and from here just scroll down a bit until you see the "is it down right now" link. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now, in this case, what we need to do here is we want to basically make sure that the servers for Western Union is actually working right now. Now, if your servers are down, there isn't much that you could do here. You just need to wait for them to actually have their servers up and running again. As you can see right now, the servers for Western Union is working as of this moment. But in this case, if you see any X there or any reds, then meaning that Western Union is probably not working right now. So you just need to wait for it to probably solve itself. Now in this case, another thing that you should make sure here is you have the updated version of Western Union. Now in this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, type in Western Union, and check if you have the latest version on it. Now in this case, make sure to install that, and once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is check if that solves the issue. But yeah, so those are the things that you could do here to probably solve this issue in Western Union, and that's about it. So for this video, I was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.